CarStory research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, hill assist system, Uconnect system. Come test drive the 2020 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, convertible soft top. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.